quarter. Outside. 11 seconds. Rebound ni number 3, pinasa na yung 40. 40. Lumanap na fast break. Outside left. 54 seconds remaining. 19 seconds shot clock. Number 3. Nasa number 9. 78. Pumunang third. Good for 2 points. Your number 78. 43 seconds. Who's foul left? Number 13. Nagdadala ng bola. May pa number 17. Rebound. Same ball. Running back. 26 seconds. 11 seconds shot clock. Number 15. Kinuha ni number 40. 40 on the pass break na nasa number 0. Dinagin number 9. Number 9, lagay up. Good for 2 points. Grabe naman si number 9. 9 seconds remaining. 22-14. Lamang ang standards. Grabe. Bonus shot is good by number 9. 5 seconds remaining. Number 13. Sumasagasa. Huli by number 0. End of the first quarter. Lamang ang Thunders 23-14. Bola ng Thunders. Number 2, nagdadala ng bola. Number 22, walang 3 points. Good for 3 points by number 22. Grabe na doon. Number 3, on the pass break, got good. Rebound ni number 8, pinasaya number 10. Number 12, taking it easy on the ball. Number 2, binigay number 12. Pinasa kay 22. Inikot-ikot yung bola. Naiingon ako. Number 14. On a pass break. Oy! Loose ball. Turn over. Number 12. Nagdadala ng bola. Pasa. Number 10. Good for 2 points. 28-14. Lamang ng 14 ang Thunders. Number 3, nagdadala ng bola. Setting up the play para dito sa paung. Good defense by number 2. Pinasa kay number 21. Shot clock violation by team paung. Uy! Number 12. Pinagay number 2. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 22. Pumipege. Pinagay number 2. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 12. Good for 2 points. On a pass break. Paung. Spin move. Up. Sulit by number 10. There's no foul. Number 3. Nagawag pa rin ng bola, pinasa. 49. 10 seconds shot clock. 49. Number 5. Making up the play. Niluwa ng ring. number 12. Gumagawa ng play. Uy, ang gandang pasa kay number 8. Seven minutes and 43 seconds. Remaining time. First shot is good. Rebound ni namin 49. 40, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay number 3. Number 3 with a fake. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Two shot. First shot, not good. Last shot. Not good. Rebound ni number 10. Number 12, holding up the ball. Nasa kay number 8. Number 10, bago ng play. Oh! Foul again on Bill Pakun. Ang dami ng foul. Two shots. Not good in the first. Second throw, also not good. Number 14, nagdadala ng bola. To the fake, number 3. Setting up the play. 21, 15 second shot clock. Number 14. Bola perimeter. Not good. Rebound ni number 2. Number 2 on a fast break. Ito na. Pinasa. Pero nahuli na ito. Number 14. Foul again on the Thunder. 6 minutes and 57 seconds on the remaining time. Score ay 14-31. Lamang ang Thunders. Good on the first throw. Two shot has been made by number 14. Number 2 setting up the play. Nasa kay number 12. Number 22 for 3. Not good. Rebound ni number 3 on a fast break. With a fake. Good layup by number 3. Grabe ka dun. Number 22. Holding out the ball. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8, Bailey. 22. 8 seconds shot clock for 3. Not good. Rebound ni number 21. 21 on the fast break. Pinasa kay number 49. 49 with a free. Oh my God. Grabbing layup. Oh my God. Number 10. Rebound ni number 8 with a full box. 20-33. Lamang ang Thunder. Last 5 minutes and 50 seconds on the ball game. Number 8. Pinasa kay number 2. Nababa ang bola. Pinalagay number 8. Nagkakaroon ng bola. Number 12 with the ball. Up. Foul number 3. Foul on number 22. Number 3 holding the ball. Pinasakay number 5. Number 5 on 21. Not good for 2 points. For number 21 rebound ng Thunders. Number 2, pinasa. Last 5 minutes of the ball game. Stage 5. Second shot clock. Number 4 pinasa number 9 for 3. Not good. Rebound ni number 13 on a fast break. Number 12. Retaining the ball number 15. Not good. Rebound ni number 9. Number 9. Good for 2 points for number 0. Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 20-35. Lamang ang Thunders. Not good. Rebound ni number 1. Bilang ko ang bola. Sakto kay number 40. Pinasa kay number 9. Not good. Put back for 40. Steal by Paong number 13 on a fast break. Not good. Number 15, pinasa 13, good for 2 points. Number 1, taking the ball, pinasa, number 9, number 4, pinasa kay number 0. Number 4, foul, who's on left?
27 foul.
Time out.
Paong
Annex 35. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds for the second quarter. 22-35. Lamang ang Thunders.
Play natin. Yan. Tayo. Don't settle for jump. Kasi ang kapalit ng tatlo kagad sila. Nakakasip sila.
2 shots for number 4.
Kapag tayo, huwag kayo mag-settle sa jump shot.
First shot. Not good. Second shot by number 4. Number 17. Kaya tayo number 15, no? Hindi nakita. 14 second shot clock. Pinasa kay number 12. Number 13. Pinasa kay number 12. Put block by number 0. 4 second shot clock. 3 seconds. 3 second shot clock. Huli number 40. Number 40 on the fast break. Nasa kay number 4. Number 4 for the easy layup. Good for 2 points. Number 4. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 17. Number 12. Not good. Rebound ni number 1. Foul. Who's foul rep?
Baba tayo, Son. Baba. Harap, usap, men. Lalim. Ayan, meron si Lalim.
Number 4. Setting up the play. Nasa kay number 9. Binigay number 4 for 40. Good for 3 points. Number 40. Number 12. Exchanging but not good. Outside for number 12. number 17. What a pass. For number 27. Rebound by number 1. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 4. Setting up the play. Pinasa kay number 40. Number 9 for 3. Not good. Rebound ni number 4 naman. Number 1. Not good also. Pero number 9. Hustling. Foul. On number. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Penalty tayo.
Penalty. Number 9 for 1 point. Shoot for 2 points. 22-42. Lamang ng 20 ang Thunders. Number 13. Pinasa kay number 17 for 3. Not good. Rebound ni number 1. Throwing the ball to number 40. Sakto. Another foul has been committed by 2 fouls. Number 40, penalty shot. Good for 1 point. Second goes good for number 40. Number 13. Pinasay number 12. 4-3. Not good. Thunder's ball. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 9. Nagdala ng bola. Number 1, pinasa na on the line, outside the board. Number 0. Last 1 minute. Naku tayo. Number 17. On a crossover. Pinasa kay number 12. Number 12 for 3. Not good. Rebound ni number 13. Number 13. Pinalik good for 2 points. 45 seconds. Number 1. Nadala na bola. Pinasa kay number 4. Number 4, not good. Rebound number 1. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 15, throw the ball. Pinasa. Number 9, pinasa number 4. Ang gandang pasahan nun. Good for 2 points. 15 seconds remaining. 12 seconds remaining. Number 12 for 3. Good for 3 points. Number 12. Last 5 seconds. Number 4. Keep number 12. 3 seconds. End of the second quarter. lamang ng 19 ang Thunders. Malaki-laki ang mga bulong.
Foul trouble, wearing jersey Team Alex 35, foul. Jersey number 12, first foul. Jersey number 20, first foul. Jersey number 14, first foul. Jersey number 30, first foul. Jersey number 13, second personal foul. Jersey number 49, first foul. Jersey number 27, second personal foul. And jersey number 5, first personal foul. Team Thunder Nigeria Hoa. Wearing jersey number 3, second foul. Wearing jersey number 2, first foul. Wearing jersey number 22, second foul. Wearing jersey 35, first foul. Wearing jersey number 8, first foul. And wearing jersey number 1, first foul.
Back to the ball game for third quarter. 27-46.
Palagi Jen, I don't go. Follow. Yes, sir. Follow commentator.
Thunders ang ball. Number 3. Number 15. On the ball. Play up. Push out red.
Number 8.
Two free throws. Good. For 1 point. Number 2. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay number 35. Number 35. Binalik. Kaya sa gitna. Number 12. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Number 35. Number 10. 35. Good for 2 points. By number 35. Number 21. Fifteen the screen. Number 3. 15 pull up for 2 points. Good for 2 points for number 15. Number 2. Pinasa ay number 12. 3 seconds violation for Team Thunders.
Bola, bola, bola! Ulit. One more.
Number 3, nagdadala ng bunda. Pinasa ay number 14, number 21. Uy! Good for 2 points! Grabe na lang yung ginawa ni number 21 doon. Mekus. Number 2 for 3, not good. Rebound ni number 8, pumiteke. Who's foul? Two shots for number 8. Not good. Last shot for number 8. Good for 1 point. Number 21. Baba ng bola. Setting up today. Number 3. Pinasa. Same ball. 3 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds shot clock. Number 21, not good. Rebound number 8. Pinasay number 2. Number 12. For Leah, pinasay number 10. Good for 2 points. Full number 10. Grabe. Pressure defense by Team Thunders. Pero napasa kay number 14. Pinasay number 21. 21. Pressure pero number 14. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 3. Pull up for 2 points. Good for 2 points. para kay number 3. 35. Pinasa kay number 12. Last 7 minutes. Number 35. Not good. Number 15. Foul on number 15. Pushing foul, number 15. Number 2, pinasay number 8. Ang ganda pasahan para sa Team Thunders. Grabe. Time out for Team Paum. 34-53. Lamang ang Team Thunders.
May mga referee nyo rito. Putang ina. Ang bobobo naman. Tumawag mo pa ang laruan?
Easy lang po tayo.
Ayusin yung tawag nyo.
Wait lang po. Coach, wait lang. Kausapin ko na lang po.
Saan na yung bola tapos tatawakan mo bola? Ano yun?
Parang tulog to delay. Ang laban.
Wala problema kung baka ayusin nyo yung tawag nyo. Para kayo.
Generally, kaya sa mga bata. Sakit eh. Tulog referee, tulog. Gising, gising. Kapi-kapi. Kapi-kapi tayo minsan.
Hindi, pasensya na rin. Kasi paano din yun? Wala kang problema sa tabak. Pero
Nasa ano ka?
Back to the ball game po tayo. Green ball.
Back to the ball game tayo.
6 minutes and 43 seconds. Number 3. Nasa number 21. May pege. Number 15 with a fake. Pull up for 2 points, not good. Rebound ni number 2. Number 35. On a fast break, ay number 10. With a Euro step, good for 2 points for number 10. Ito na, number 3. With a behind the back. His play. Rebound ni number 10. On a fast break again. Pinasa kay number 35. Number 35, moving the ball. Kuha ni number 12. Number 12 for a layup. Not good. Foul on number 2. 34-55. Lamang ng 21 ang Team Thunder. Number 4. Number 9 for 3. Good for 3 points for number 9. Number 3. Pinasa number 15. 15. Sumasagasa. Another foul has been committed by number 0. 2 shots. Good for 1 point for number 15. Second throw. 2 out of 2 for number 15. Nakago ni number 21. 21. Bumping. Pinasa kay number 12. Binalik kay number 21 with a post-up play. Number 15 for 3. Good for 3 points for number 15. 40-58. Lamang ng 18 ang Team Thunders. Number 3. Setting up a play. 15 second shot clock. Pinasa kay number 4. Binalik kay number 22. Number 3 for 3. Not good. Same ball po tayo. Substitution. Pasok, labas, pasok. Number 9. 10 second shot clock. Binagay na number 3. Number 3 for 3. Not good. Rebound number 21. Pinasa kay number 12. Ball pass break. Number 13. Nagkakaroon sa bola. Number 13 still gets the rebound. Pero number 21 lose the ball. Red team. Red ball po tayo. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 9. Nasa natin 4. Rotating the ball. Number 0. Number 3. Tumukol. Not good. Who's foul rep? Red ball. 14 seconds. Shot clock. Pinasa kay number 9. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 0. Lose the ball. Number 12. On a fast break. Timeout. Team Thunder. 4 minutes and 8 seconds. On to the third quarter. 40-58. Lamang ng 18. Ang Thunder.
Ay, maniniwala kayo, kaya natin ito.
Back to the ball game. Red ball. Number 1 holding on the ball. Pinasa kay number 9. Taking time. Number 9 for 3. Not good. Rebound ni number 4. Number 4 on a putback. Good for 2 points. Labang na naman ng 20 ang Team Thunders.
Yun, ilalim ka ron!
Number 49. Good for 2 points for Team Number 1, pinasa kay number 40. Number 40 taking time. Number 9 to number 0. Number 9 for 3. Not good. Rebound ni number 15. On a fast break. Number 21.
Taas yan yun! High post! Bababang balik mo!
Oy, huli to number 40. Grabe. Easy layup. Goal for 2 points for number 40. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds into the ball game. 15 to 12. 12. Traveling violation. 14 foul.
Bago tumama, pare, traveling nyo.
42-62. Lamang ng 20 ang Team Thunders.
Naka-break na.
Number 1. for 3. Not good. Number 15. The rebound on the fast break. Number 15. Foul. Who's foul left?
Number 40, Paula.
2 shots for number 15. Two out of 2 for number 15. Last 3 minutes into the ball game. Number 9. Number 1, setting up a play. Pinasa kay number 40. 40 to the layup. Not good. 0. Penalty na po ang Team Paung. 44-62. Substitution for Team Paung. Two shots for number 15. Not good on a first goal. One out of 2 for number 15. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 10, setting up a play. Ang Team Thunder pinasa kay number 10. Almost a steal. Pero, good for 2 points and 1. Foul by number 27. Bonus shot for number 3. Not good. Number 13 on the fast break. Lose the ball. 2 on number 4. 2 on the fast break. Pero number 40. Good for 2 points. Easy layup for number 40. 45-66. Lamang ng 21. Pinalay kay number 17. To number 12. 10 second shot clock. 17 for 2 points. Good. For 2 points on number 17. Last 2 minutes. On to the third quarter. 35. Pinasa for number 4. Another 2 points. Pabalik-balik lang. Number 27. Please on a 2 shots. Who's foul? 27.
Nakasulat pa ngayon, parang ganyan. Hindi kami.
Warning for penalty on Team Thunder. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Rebounding and a pressure. Defense by Team Paung. Number 1. Pinasa kay number 35. Lost concentration. Ball number 35. Loose ball. Number 3 is being pressured. Number 10. Number 3. Not good for number 15. 40 on a transition play. Number 4. Pinasa kay number 10. 3. Is still si number 3. Number 15. Holding on the play. Last 1 minute. Number 3. Good for 2 points. Last 50 seconds. On to the third quarter. Number 35. Pinasa number 4. Number 4. Pinalik. Another turnover has been committed by Team Thunders. Kuha na po, pinasa kay number 15. Good for 2 points for number 15. Last 30 seconds. 35. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10. Find his way onto the basket. Last 20 seconds. Pinasa kay number 12. Number 12. Number 27. Shoot for 2 points. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1. La.
Ay! Kabuntingan pa. Mas yun ang half court ngayon.
Bakit?
53-70 as we go into the fourth quarter.
Ay, nako. Ay, nako.
Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter na po tayo. 53-70. Lamang ang Team Thunder. Number 4 to number 35. With the use step number 5. Rebound. Pinasa kay number 21. On a fast break.
Let's go!
Pinasa kay number 3. Perimeter shot na good to number 49. And a foul for number 4. 2 shots for number 49. Good for 1 point for number 49. Number 4 almost missed the ball for number 4. Good for 2 points for number 4. Grabe.
Let's go, let's go.
Boy, Wally. Nagkala ng bola. Crossover for number 21. Pinasa kay number 3. Setting up play. Number 3 on the side step. Good for 2 points. Ang ganda ng galaw na yun. 56-72. Special defense of Team Paum. Foul on number 49. Seconds shot clock. Number 35. Oy, steal by number 3. Number 3 on the fast break.
Let's go, let's go.
My number 3. Time out on Team Thunder. 58-72. Lamang na lang ng 14 ang Team Thunder. Humahabol. Last 9 minutes onto the ball game.
Gago.
Back to the ball game po tayo.
Let's go, let's go. Kevin, Kevin. Habol,
Itong
habol,
fourth
habol.
quarter para sa Team Paum. Number 3 on the bonus shot.
Chief, ilang foul?
Good. For 1 point. Number 9, nagdamay ng bola. Pinasa kay number 40. Number 8, moving the ball. Ay crucial turnover para sa Team Thunder. Lamang ng 13 ang Team Thunder. Last 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 21, nagdamay ng bola. A foul for number 14. Number 3. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 21. 8 seconds shot clock. Number 21. Good for 2 points for number 21. 11 na lang ang lamang. Number 10. Foul counted for number 10. Grabe. Confident.
Very brief.
Bonus shot for red. Bonus shot is good. Balik tayo ng 14. Ang halamangan. Number 3. Before we set up the play. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 21.
Let's go.
5 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds. 40. Decision play. Number 9. Not good. Rebound. Number 21. Number 3. Pull up from 2 points. Good for 2 points. Number 3. Ang ganda nun. Balik sa toso ang kalamangan. A defense. A pressure defense. Kinitay. Ito pero naman sa number 9. And another. And one for number 9. Grabe. Pabalik-balik lang ang score
Tama na yan.
para sa dalawang team na to.
Tigil na natin.
Warning for penalty ang Team Thunder. 49. 49 na sa number 6. Setting up a play. Si Paul.
Up.
11 seconds shot clock. To 49. 49 pull up. Not good. Rebound by number 5. 5 seconds shot clock. Outside. Hoy, pass break. Pinagay number 10. Sakto-sakto. Number 14.
Let's go, let's go.
Number 3. Ang sorry player ng pula. Not good pa number 14. Behind the back. Green ball. Same ball pa rin po tayo. 53-77. 13 seconds shot clock.
Dito, una na lang.
Number 3. Foul.
Penalty tayo ha.
Penalty na po tayo. And number 4.
Buti, oo.
Nagbangka.
Sana all. Sakit nun. My God.
2 shots for number 3.
Nabali yan na siya. Dalawang beses.
Not good for number 3. Last shot.
Saan siya na hindi? Saan ka tuloy? Parang dito ata.
Rebound number 49. Number 3. Good for 65-77. Number 10. On a pass break. Good for 2 points for number 10. 21. Ang baga na ng bola.
Let's go.
Dilek. Number 5, on screen. 10 seconds shot clock. For 3. Number 40 on the fast break na sa number 10. Pabalik-balik lang. Ang ganda ng ginawa niya doon.
Bakit?
Number 21.
Let's go!
Nasa number 3. Not good. 2 points. 68-81. Lamang lang. 13.
Aray! Laban na yun.
Jump ball. Substitution po. Breeze ball. Last 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Nasa number 15. So number 3, number 3 pula pag 2 points, not good. Hindi ba number 49? What a hustle, pero ganda ng pick na yun. Pero 5 kilometer. Number 0. 68-81.
Yeah, ganun na. Try back na.
Boss, magkano tayo?
Wala!
Not good enough for the
Tingin ko, akin na tumuli.
last throw. Not good. Nagagawa ng bola, dalawang team, pero gagawin lang ng hold. Pero, time out. Team foul. K81. 13 na lang ang hinahabol ng team foul dito.
Nakaka-convert ka. Kapag bumaba lang yan, dapat din nyo ipakat.
Back to the ball game. Last 5 minutes and 10 seconds po tayo. On the fast break to number 0. Saktong-sakto. Number 10. Another foul. 13 foul.
Huwag kayo dyan magdaman ng bola, ha? Kasi baka mamaya
Number 5.
ball.
Number 5. Out up tayo.
Fouled out na po tayo. Para kay number 5.
Ano na lang?
Ipamulas na tayo dyan. Yes.
Fouled out na po tayo.
Ipamulas na tayo dyan.
Change bola tayo.
Substitution ng Team Thunder. Pasok, labas, pasok, labas. Two shots for number 10. Not good. 68-81.
Kaya nga eh. Baka sa...
Good for 1 point. Number 49, nagkabel ng bola.
Nakuha mo yung bola.
Nasa number 21. Number 3, set assistant. Pula pa mo po. Not good, iba number 0. Pinasa. Pwede ba eh, pero ang turnover.
Ginawa na ako natakot.
Para sa Team Thunder.
Wala, wala! Ikaw alam.
Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 3. Setting up play. Number 3 pull up. Good for number 3. 12. Ang ang lamang ng team number. Sakto ay number 0. Good for 2 points para kay number 0. Number 3. Number 3 on a push. Crossover. Not good. Number 1. Pinasay number 0 na naman. Pinasay number 10. Ang ganda ng pasahan ng Team Thunder talaga. Ramdam na ramdam ang chemistry. Number 27.
Jamit.
To number.
Ay!
Number 4. Number 35. Foul na. Number 27. Substitution. 3 minutes and 40 seconds on to the fourth quarter.
27 ba? 27? Last call!
27.
27, 5 fouls.
Fouled out na rin po si number 27 on a crucial quarter. 2 shots for 35. Good. Or 1 point.
Sige, win. Win.
70-88. Lumaki na naman ang kalamangan ng Team Thunder.
Kaya pa yan! Dali! Dali!
Number 17. Ready ka po sa number 3. Pero foul. Ang mamigay for number 4. Penalty shots po tayo.
Game, smoke.
3 minutes and 32 seconds.
Kaya ako muna. Miss mo na lang. Okay. Okay na.
Nandun.
Okay, gigi. Sana mag-time out sila.
Rebound number 10, number 10 na pass break, number 35. Masagasa number 35, easy 2 points. Lamang ng 20 na naman ang Team Thunders. Grabe. 17 to number 3. Number 3, crossover. Number 12 for 3. Not good. Rebound number 15. Number 10.
Foul.
2 shots for number 15.
Win, guys.
Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Ay, wala na yan. Kailan ka ulit dito next week?
Good for 1 point. Para number 15.
Next Sunday?
Pressure defense on Team Pau.
Bukas.
Number 35.
Kasi bukas.
Pinatay number 4. Number 1. Good. Number 0. Pinatay number 10. Grabe yung kasahan talaga. Ang binibigay pero nakuha ni number 4. Not good. Rebound ni number 35. Up our counted. Grabe. Grabe yung turnaround. Ang ginawa ni number 35. Grabe. Bonus shot.
Time out, please.
To ano number 17. Foul for number 35. Time out. Team Paum.
Last time up na ni Pao niyan, tama?
Penalty shot. Wala na pong time out ang Team Paum. Back to the ball game po tayo. 71-94. Not good for 1 point. Last 2 minutes and 44 seconds.
Ano kayo? Wait, amin. Ako tumira.
Rebound number 17. Pula for 2 points. For 2 points.
So, ano na?
35.
7-5.
From number 10 to number 0. Number 0 with a fake. Oh, with a euro. And a good for 2 points by number 0. Grabe. 21. Nagpawa ng bola.
Amin.
Nag-screen mo nga to. 21. Kaya number 3. Pula for 2 points. Not good. Kiluha. Number 1. On a pass break. Saktong-sakto. Sa labas. Last 2 minutes. Po tayo.
Antay mo.
Number 1 to number 4. On a fast break. Easy layup. By number 4. 25 na po ang kalamangan ng Team Thunders. Number 30 for 3. Not good. Iba ni number 3. Not good pa rin. Not good.
Time out. Injured.
Uy, angit.
Injury time out yan. Injury time out yan.
Napulilag na po. Last 1 minute and 27 seconds. 73, 98.
Ano yan?
Hindi ka pa connected sa ano to eh.
Number 1 to 35. 35. Handing the ball to number 10. Number 35, nag-uurot na lang ng oras ang Team Thunders. 10 second shot clock. 35. Good for 2 points. Number 10. Last 1 minute. Traveling for number 0.
Ay, sorry.
Last 50 seconds. Number 12. Number 30, 40. That's good. Iba ni number 1. Number 10 on a fast break. Good for 2 points na naman. 14 Thunders. Number 30. Number 70 for 3. Not good. Iba ni number 25. Number 0 for 3. Outside. Last 23 seconds.
Thank you, Pep. Best bukas ulit ha. Mag-enjoy ako sa view. Bukas ulit. Ano ba? Nakaganya ka na ulit.
Oy, Jordan, hindi ka pinitayan ha. Wala daw siya. Kaya natin.
Give him Lord. Kaya pong bahala Idol Meg. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa lagong binigay nito. Nagtutunan po kami sa araw na ito. Hindi lang po ito.
Picture tayo, team. Nang nakaraan, wala tayo.